I don't know who needs to hear this for today or who just needed this reminder, but I just want to say this to you. Don't be ashamed of the person you turned out to be today. Don't be ashamed of your life. Don't be ashamed of your journey. Don't be ashamed of your story. Don't be ashamed of your past. Don't be ashamed of your testimony. Because everything you went through, been through, gone through, overcome, shaped you and made you into the person you are today, y'all. Don't be ashamed. Embrace your story. Embrace the person you are. Embrace your past. Some of y'all don't even know this or realize this. You got a powerful book inside of you that the world and people around you need from you. They need to hear it from you. Because like I always say, you are the best damn author to your own book. You are the best damn author to your own story. Don't you ever forget that, all right, y'all? That's all I want to say. I love you and I'm proud of you, and I believe in you.